Unfortunately, I didn't know that the instrumental was not playing inside the recording. But I'm going to still explain again. So this is a second video I did right now on this part. If you were following me the last time, I say thank you for coming again. Thank you for supporting me by watching my video. And then please, I want to see your comment to encourage me. My name is GMU. I want to know your name too. So drop your name on the comment. If you like the instrumental, let me know. I can just do one for you for giveaway. You understand? And then I also sell instrumental too on Airbeats, on my website. I sell it on different platform. I do ghost production too. I do song and I sell for artists and the rest of them. So welcome again. I love you for loving me, and even though you don't love me, I still love you too. One love, everybody. Peace. So um if you were following me the last time when I started these instrumentals, I told you guys I didn't have anything in mind. I just started doing. And I told you that the first thing for a good producer to do when you want to do an instrumental, don't just start lamely like that. First, hum the instrumental in your mind. You want to do one, two, uh, uh, you started the instrumental already for you to do and then be and snapping your finger. You've already started it. You understand? So the first thing for a good producer to do, first of all, you need your metronome. You own your metronome and FL Studio. This is your metronome here. This is your metronome. I don't know if you guys can see my cursor. This is your metronome here. The first thing you do is to set the tempo of the song or the instrumental you want to do. And the second thing, you know what you want to do. Play it in your head first. Play the instrumental in your head. If it sounds good in your head, that means you're already solving the problem. Then when it sounds good in your head, the next thing to know is to know the sounds, the percussion, the VST, the kick, the snare, what kind of snare, what kind of kick you want to use. That's the next thing to know. And then you know if it's gonna be how many verse you want to create. Just try to imagine how you want the song to be. The first place to create an instrumental is in your head, it's in your mind. Create it there first. You understand? Create it there first in your head. If you create it and it sounds good in your head, I bet it's going to sound good because you know already what you want. You know, it's like somebody that does not know what you want. Anything you get or anything you see or anything you just do, you just accept it. But if you know what you want, you keep doing it until you get it. So that's my advice for you guys, coming up producers and guys that are trying to learn FL Studio. It's a great software, but I'm not always using FL Studio. I like using Propeller Head Reason. I like using Cubase, Window, and then Logic to do my beats. But I love FL. I started with FL, and I still use FL, but not regularly every day. So so let's go to the instrumental. When I was creating this instrumental, the first percussion I made. This is the first percussion. If you can see it here, GMU1. I showed you guys how I did it. I started with this. I started with this. So after that one, I went to my GMU2, created. I created GMU2, and then after I finished creating GMU2, I remember I now made these drums. I played this bass guitar after the percussion. After the percussion, I played this. The bass guitar was the first thing I played. Ding, 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 ding. And then the next thing I played was this EP. Then the next sound was this. And then the next one was this. So that's how I started the instrumental first, and then I made an intro. I made this one, and then when I went offline because of my keyboard, my piano was disturbing, so I just decided to play this sound. All of them are stock plugin except I think I used an expand in this part that is down here, but everything here is stock plugins. I'm using the stock plugins because if somebody wants this beat right now and that is using FL Studio, all I just need to do is just to zip it and send to the person. Immediately the person opens it, every sound I play will not be missing because I'm using stock plugins, and the person will have the stock plugin too. Except the FL the person is using is not, is lacking some VST, or the person did not install one or two stuff. So if not, everything I played here is supposed to be showing immediately he opens it. And I zipped it. One important thing you need to know as a producer that produce with FL Studio, save with zip. We have zip, and then we have FL Studio. See it here, and then we have zip. The importance of zipping, so that when you're sending the beat to somebody, if the person wants stem and then the data of the beat, what you do when you zip, every sound, every percussion, every kick, every shaker you play will zip with the file, will zip with the zip file. You can even encode it or encrypt it. Whatever you want to do, you can encrypt it. If you, some of you know the meaning of encrypt, you can still encrypt it and give the person the key, the encrypting key, to just open it. If the person is the right person, you just encrypt it and then give him the key to open the encrypted file. You understand? So that's it. And then every sound you played will be there. So that's for another day. And so I saved my zip. And then the next thing I did, I put this shaker. How I added the shaker to make it busy. So the shaker is making it busy, but I reduced it. So after I was done with that, I started it again. Now this is this sound. This sound was made with a conga. Actually, a conga was supposed to play the conga like a conga. Boom 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 boom. So I just decided to use the conga to play chords. So I started playing the conga with the chord. So that is it. Then I added some rollings at the end of it. Don't mind me, that sound is loud. I'm going to balance it. So that's how it goes. And then I added some sound. Now the expand part I was talking about, this now after I finish playing all this sound, patterning it, I showed you guys how to pattern, how to copy. Remember I said how to copy. You click on your control and then you hold it, and you do it like when you click on your control, first of all to highlight it, then you click on shift. I'm using a window, so I'm using a window, that's why I'm using this control here, and then shift. I'm using a window computer. So then you want to move it, you want to copy this particular sound now to this same place. You just click shift and you hold it and move. That is it. So that is it, how to copy. And you want to delete, you right click, you just right click and then just touch it. It's going to delete itself. Control Z to bring it back. So that's it. So if you observe, I open the mixer and then you can see every sound I play appeared on this mixer. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. Remember I said I did a video. I didn't know the instrumental was not recording. After everything, I've already done all the movements, brought everything here before I realized it wasn't working. So this is the second video I made. I had to take the stress and everything to just do this video for you guys. So please drop your good comments, thumbs up, share the video, and then subscribe to the channel. It will help me a lot, please guys. And then so what I did next is that I went to my view channel rack, this channel rack here, and then when I was there, everything was like this. It was showing like this because I added some audio sounds. Some of those sounds, those rollings, they are actually audio samples. So everything now came up as audio like this. You can see on this box here is audio. So what I did is that I just clicked on it and then put it to all. If you put it to all, every sound you play, it will appear here, whether you played VST or conga or kick and everything, your peck, everything is going to appear here. So what you do is that for you just double click on the first or any of them. You double click on any of them, the box here, and then it will highlight everything. Check, everything's highlighted here. So after everything's highlighted here, you go to your mixer, your view mixer. You click on your view mixer, the mixer is going to be empty. It's going to be empty. It's going to be empty. So what you do is that you go to track one. This is track one here. You can see you go to track one and then you right click. Immediately you right click. What I'm about to do is to send. I am sending every sound I play to the mixer so I can balance it. It's very important to send it to the mixer so that you can add your effect and to balance it and to do one or two stuff. So and sending it to the mixer. Remember, I said you're going to highlight it, and then when you get to this place, now you since we want to start from this first mixer channel here, so I right clicked on it and then go to routing. You can see routing here. You go to channel routing, and then you click on this one. Immediately you click on it, everything will appear here from that first track. And then what I did is I had to balance it. Now, why am I balancing? So that I can have headroom for mixing. Balancing is one of the good first step for mixing. You have to first balance the sound and make sure it's not clipping first. You give every sound headroom so that when you add the effect, everything's not going to be clipping. Like you can see here. Let me play this again. You see, it's not clipping. My peak meter is not clipping. It's not hitting here. You can see it's still normal. It's not clipping. So what I did next, I had to like adjust the sounds and just reduce them, and then reduce them so that I can have headroom for mixing. So guys, if you don't understand anything, drop a message. On my next video, I'm going to reply you guys. One love. If there's anything you want to let me know, just send me a message. I'm going to drop my email address or my phone number, my Nigerian phone number, on the description. And then I'm going to, when I'm done with everything, the mixing and mastering, I'm going to make this beat available for free. If you want to support the ministry, want to support me, I can just drop anything so you can just support. So, but I'm going to drop it on my SoundCloud for free, guys. So if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and then like, and then enjoy the beats for now. So on my next video, I'm going to show you guys I'm going to mix it. I'm going to mix it, not really professional mixing, but I'm going to just add some effects, some compression, some stereo expand, some EQ, just do one or two stuff and then make it sound good, and I can just send it to you guys.